So today's video is all about referral-based marketing techniques. In other words, how you can grow your list. Now, if you can hang around for a few moments until the end of this mercifully short video, then what I'm going to be sharing with each and every one of you is a link where you can get further additional resources, which may well be of value to you in being able to hit and break and smash your digital marketing goals. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, welcome back, everybody. So today is day number 5. And today we're going to be talking very briefly. Remember, if you want the longer videos, please click on the link below in the comments. The top comment there will have the link to the longer form videos, which are again free. This is all part of our 60-day digital marketing free challenge. We are a digital marketing practice, and our aim is to show you in advance for free how you can get digital marketing results better, faster, and quicker, and charge ahead of your competition. Get really good quality leads, high ticket referrals, all of those sorts of things. Today, we're going to be talking about the referral-based marketing system. Now, this is something that I would like to invite you into, because think about referrals and the way that referrals work. A lot of my clients come to me and they tell me, oh, I get business there by word of mouth. Word of mouth is great, but then came along a certain something called a pandemic with the C letter that we're not allowed to talk about. So this is really, really important, because you see, what we're trying to achieve here is we're trying to achieve a system where you can turn 1 referral into 2, where you can turn 2 into 4, where you can turn 4 into 8, etc. And we're going to show you how to do this quickly, simply, and easily by giving value to your fellow person. Okay, because we're not allowed to say man or woman anymore, aren't we not? So by giving value to your fellow person, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how you can achieve these results better, faster, and quicker than anybody else out there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to build a referrals map, just like what we did for one of my clients here. And we built him a 2x growth workshop so that he could come along and he could turn up like nobody else, make an impact, and then draw magnetic marketing there are other people into his sales pipeline, just by using all of the tools that we said on day number 2, by using the roadmap that we talked about in day number 1, that using the results triangle in day number 3. So now what we're doing, and also by using the raise your hand marketing techniques that we did on day number 4. So this has been day number 5. This is the referral based marketing techniques. Now, if you would like the longer video with access to the workshop, with access to the homework, if anybody likes doing homework, it is important, because full disclosure, there is hard work involved in this course. But I want to show you in advance how you can get these results better, faster, and quicker than your competitors. That's my main aim. I want to provide value. Okay, so I hope that you all like this. If you did like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Leave us a comment and tell us what you thought. And if you do have any questions, please drop them into the comments box below. We love to hear from everybody, and we do answer all of the genuine comments. They're in about 24 to 48 hours. We come back to you. Okay. Hello, everybody. And thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the third thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also here is the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandor.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandor.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.